Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup team editing using Dropbox shared spaces. Quick tutorial step. To backup team editing using Dropbox shared spaces, start by ensuring all team members have Dropbox accounts. Log into your Dropbox account. Create a new shared folder by clicking on the Share button. Name your folder appropriately to reflect your team's project. Invite team members by entering their email addresses in the sharing options. Set their permissions according to their roles. Team members will receive an invitation to join the shared folder. Once they accept, everyone will have access to the folder. Upload your project files to this shared folder. Make sure to organize files logically into subfolders. Encourage team members to upload their work regularly. Monitor the folder for any changes made by team members. Utilize the comments feature to discuss edits and provide feedback. Enable version history to keep track of all changes made to files. This feature allows you to restore previous versions if necessary. Periodically check the folder for any important updates or files. Remind team members to back up their work locally if needed. Regularly discuss backup strategies in team meetings. Consider setting up a backup schedule to ensure nothing is missed. By following these steps, you can efficiently backup team editing using Dropbox shared spaces. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.